A regulated power supply is an embedded circuit. It converts unregulated AC into a constant DC. With the help of a rectifier, it converts AC supply into DC. Its function is to supply a stable voltage to a circuit or device that must be operated within certain power supply limits. The output from the regulated power supply may be alternating or unidirectional, but is nearly always DC. The type of stabilization used may be restricted to ensuring that the output remains within certain limits under various load conditions, or it may also include compensation for variations in its own supply source. The latter is much more common today. Applications: DC variable bench supply. Power supply normally implies an accurate bench power supply, while a balanced or tracking power supply refers to twin supplies for use when a circuit requires both positive and negative supply rails. Mobile phone power adapters, regulated power supplies and appliances, various amplifiers and oscillators. Topology and technology. Many topologies have been used since the regulated supply was invented. Early technologies included ion hydrogen resistors, resonant transformers, nonlinear resistors, loading resistors, neon stabilizer tubes, vibrating contact regulators, etc. Modern regulated supplies mostly use a transformer, silicon diode bridge rectifier, reservoir capacitor and voltage regulator IC. There are variations on this theme, such as supplies with multiple voltage lines, variable regulators, power controller lines, discrete circuits and so on. Switched mode regulator supplies also include an inductor. At times regulated supplies can be much more complex. An example supply from a 1980s TV used bidirectional interaction between the main supply and the line output stage to operate, generating a range of output voltages with varying amounts of stabilization. Since neither stage could start without the other running, the supply also included a kick-start system to pulse the system into operation. The supply also monitored voltages in the TV power circuitry, shutting down if these voltages went out of spec. For special applications, supplies can become even more complex. References. See also, power supply, voltage regulator.